Becoming rich intellectually involves continuous learning and growth across various domains. Today, I will give you in this video a few points with explanations, and also I will give you the names of different books, right? So this video is going to be very informative, and I request all of you to watch it till the end. So without much delay, let us get started. In the first place, I would say read widely. Expand your knowledge by reading books across different categories, from philosophy and psychology to history and science, right? Each book offers unique perspectives and that enrich your understanding of the world. For example, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind. This is a book by Yuval Noah Harari. This book actually provides insights into the evolution of human societies, challenging conventional wisdom. In the second place, I would say embrace lifelong learning, dear friends. Cultivate a habit of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Attend seminars, workshops, and online courses to stay updated with the latest developments in your field and beyond that. Mindset, The New Psychology of Success. This is a book, by Carol S. Dweck. Explores in this book how a growth mindset can foster continuous learning and achievement, right? In the third place, I would say critical thinking, right? Develop critical thinking skills to analyze information objectively and make informed decisions. Books like Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman delve into these cognitive biases and how they influence our judgments, essential for developing a rational approach to problem solving. In the fourth place, I would say seek diverse perspectives, right? Engage in the discussions with people from diverse backgrounds and viewpoints. This exposure challenges your assumptions and broadens your understanding of different cultures and ideologies. There is a book, The Righteous Mind, Why Good People Are Divided by Politics and Religion. And this is a book by Jonathan Haidt. He offers insights in this book into moral psychology and the factors that shape our beliefs. And in the fifth place, I would say apply knowledge creatively. This matters a lot, right? Apply what you learn creatively in your personal and professional life. Experimentation and innovation often stem from connecting ideas from different fields. Originals, How Nonconformists Move the World. So this is also a book by Adam Grant. He explores in this book how to champion new ideas and bring them into fruition. By consistently pursuing all these practices, you will enrich your intellectual wealth, gaining a deeper understanding of the world and honing the skills needed for success in various endeavors. So this was the video for today, dear friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. To see you in the next video.